Hello, today I'm going to talk about 3 common mistakes players make with their shooting mechanics. Mistake number 1, an awkward stance. It's either too wide or too narrow, or their feet are facing straight at the basket. When we're shooting, we want our feet angled away slightly from the basket, butt down, legs bent. That way we have a solid base to translate all of our power up into our shot. Sometimes when a player's feet are too wide, it can cause the knees to cave in like this, which is super bad for your knees. So making sure that we're in a hip-width stance not only is more efficient, but it's also a knee saver. I personally don't like knee pains. The second one is pausing on your shot. With a good shot, we want it to be one smooth, fluid shot with no pauses. A shot that has pauses would look something like this. A lot of players tend, especially young ladies, to pause at their face. That destroys the rhythm on your shot. The next mistake that I commonly see is too low of follow-through, which results in a flat shot. A lot of players, due to either strength or weird mechanics, struggle to shoot the ball from a high release point. The release point we want on our shot is above our forehead. That nice high release point gets that ball to arc at a 45-degree trajectory, and not only that, but it's also harder to guard. Here's a drill to fix your stance. These are called line hopovers or cone hopovers. You're going to set up in a perfect stance, feet hip-width apart, legs bent. You're going to jump over the line and then replicate that exact same stance. This is training muscle memory in our body. As soon as your feet hit the ground, you're powering up into your shot and letting the ball go. So hip-width stance, toes slightly angled away from your shooting hand. As soon as your feet hit, you're going up into your shot. If you need to though, the most important thing is to slow it down, make sure that your feet perfectly hit, and then shoot. Don't worry about the make or miss. What matters is that you're hitting that perfect stance every time. The next drill for that, start in your stance, 180. As soon as your feet touch, fire away. Make sure you're alternating both shoulders. Find the basket quickly with your eyes. To fix the rhythm issue, these are called tap and shoot. You're going to let the ball touch the ground and your body's going to coil up like a spring. Your hips, shoulders, and everything move up together in one smooth, fluid motion. Everything up together, no pausing. And finally, to work on that release point, you're going to get uncomfortably close to the basket. Get up on your tippy toes, ball up at your release point right above your forehead. Take your guide hand off, freeze it there, extend and shoot. What you can focus on here, aside from keeping your balance, is making sure that your body is fully extended and that your elbow is pushing under and through the ball. Another pointer on the shots we're doing right now is to have a pocket beneath your palm and the ball. Just like when we're doing ball handling, we don't want the ball on our palm, we want it on our fingertips. This creates more control over the ball. A lot of coaches who coach at higher levels with larger players say that doesn't matter, but that's because their hands are bigger. So for the average sized human being at the high school level, at a lot of college levels and lower, we want to make sure that our palm is off the ball when we're shooting.